Gonzalo, pass to Saison. Block. Symbol. Gonzalo, William Flores. Symbol. This ball, turnover. Reynancia, no good, rebound by Gonzalo. Pass to Villa Flores. To Gonzalo, tries to three. No good. Foul. Number. Bose. Castro, first personal foul, first team foul. Reynancia, pass to Oliva. Marmol, tries to three. Good ball, 3 points by Marmol. Gonzalo tries to three. This ball, turnover. Reynancia. Anasim. No good. Villa Flores. Good for 2 points by Villa Flores. Reynancia to Marmol. To Aguila. Oliva. Marmol. Good for 2 points by Marmol. Villa Flores. Turnover. Last 3 minutes and 31 seconds before the end of the first quarter. Running score 5-2. Oliva. To Reynancia. Tries to three. Good for 3 points by Reynancia. Villa Flores. No good. Rebound by Oliva. To Reynancia. Marmol. Good for 2 points by Marmol. Last 2 minutes and 55 seconds before the end of the first quarter. Final score 7-5 in favor of Basketballeros. Timeout called by 18:26. Remaining time last 2 minutes and 46 seconds. Running score 2-10 in favor of Basketballeros. Anasim, no good. Anasim again. Good ball, 2 points by Anasim. Villa Flores tries to three. No good. Rebound by Oliva. Foul. Number 14. Holding foul, Gonzalo. First personal foul, second team foul. Oliva. Anasim, no good. Good for 2 points by Anasim. Intercept by Marmol. Good for 2 points. Ramirez. Villa Flores. Last 1 minute and 40 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Saison. Good for 2 points by Saison. Ramirez. Marmol. Good for 2 points by Marmol. Last 1 minute and 22 seconds before the end of the first quarter. Julio Flores, pass to Saison, intercept by Nasim. Single. 15 second shot clock. Running score, 4-18. Roberts, no good, rebound by Castro. It's a offensive foul committed by number 12, Castro. Castro, second personal foul. Ramirez to Oliva. Rebound by Roberts. Foul number 23, Ramirez. First personal foul, first team foul. Julio Flores to Saison. Last 55 seconds. Gonzalo, no good, rebound by Ramirez. Single. Marmol to Ramirez, that's 45 seconds. Oliva, 15 seconds to shoot. Tuhanasi, no good, rebound by Ramirez. Nakuha ni Castro, last 35 seconds. No good, rebound by Marmol. Oliva, last 25 seconds. Ramirez. Foul. Number 25, Julio Flores. First personal foul, 13 foul. Last 22 seconds. First throw. Basket. Ramirez. Second and last throw. Jumpers ready. Last 22 seconds. Basket again. Last 20 seconds. Julio Flores. Intercept by Reinancia. Last 10, Reinancia. No good, rebound by Marmol. Last 5. Beautiful 3 points by Marmol. And the first next game, beginning of the second quarter, running score 23-4 in favor of Basketballeros. Ibida. Good. Soreta, pass to Ibida. To Julio Flores. Intercept drive. Good. It's offensive foul committed by Vela. Julio Flores, 15 seconds to shoot. Matundang. Julio Flores to place by Matundang. Julio Flores. No good. Good for 2 points by Yet. Matundan. Good for 3 points by Vela. Diego Flores, 15 seconds to shoot. Last 3 minutes and 29 seconds. No good. Rebound by Pada. Yet. Good for 2 points by Yet. Matundan. Remaining time last 10 minutes and 9 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Vela. No good. Good for 2 points by Pada. By Gomez. Julia Flores. Last 2 minutes and 52 seconds. Hitler. Turner. Running score. 38 in favor of basketball there. Third timeout. Timeout called by 18:26. Score 38 in favor of Basketboleros. Next game for Midget B Division, Harmony X Roseville versus Flight Time. Please prepare. First row. Basket, Julia Flores. Second and last row. Choppers ready. Basket again. Matundan. To Vela. Back to Matundan. 12 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by Gomez. Good for 2 points by Gomez. Saison. Pass to Villa Flores. Last 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Saison. Good for 2 points by Saison. Matundan. Last 2 minutes. Gomez. No good. Rebound by Ibita. Toyet. 15 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by Saison. No good. Stepping on the line. Same ball. Last 14 second shot clock. Sige na. Reynan siya out. Marmol coming in. Same ball. Julia Flores. No good. Gomez. He's stepping on the line. Turnover. Last 1 minute and 27 seconds before the end of the second quarter. Running score 12-32 in favor of Basketboleros. Saison, no good. Counted basket number 25. Gomez, pushing foul. Second personal foul. First team foul sa second quarter. Hindi, dito. Sapay. One bonus shot. No good. Single. 15 second shot clock. Remaining time last 1 minute and 13 seconds. No good. Rebound by Saison. Pass to William Flores. Good for 2 points by William Flores.
Basket yun, counter basketball.
Marmol. No good. Number 5, pushing foul. First personal foul, first team foul, Matundang. Single. Number 8. Bella, second personal foul, second team foul. Last 42 seconds. Bella. Fifteen seconds to shoot. Last 17 seconds. Turnover. Last 16. Ibita. Last 13. Symbol. Last 10. Last 10 seconds. Pada. Last 5. End of the second quarter, running score 32-17. Saison. Good ball. 2 points by Saison. Reinancia. To Ramones. Back to Reinancia. Ramones. Reinancia. No good. Rebound by Ramones. Tries to 3. Good for 3 points by Ramones. Eight seconds to shoot. Traveling violation. Reinancia. Pass to Ramones. To Reinancia. This ball, turnover. Remaining time less 3 minutes and 59 seconds. By Jonas. Saison, no good. Foul. Number 99. Holding foul, Roberts. First personal foul, first team foul. Last 3 minutes and 46 seconds. Roberts. No good. Gonzalo. Pass 2. Foul. Number 71. Marmol. First personal foul, first team foul. First throw. Basket. Badjola. Second and last throw. Jumpers ready. Basket again. Running score 35-21. Ramores. Good throw, 2 points by Ramores. Remaining time last 3 minutes and 19 seconds. Foul number 1. Blocking foul. Reynancia, first personal foul, second team foul. Badjola to Gonzalo, back to Badjola. Good goal, 3 points by Badjola. Reynancia, pass to Marmol, to Anasin. Good for 2 points by Anasin, last 3 minutes. Badjola, Gonzalo tries to 3. Foul. Ramores. Second personal foul, third team foul. 15 seconds to shoot. Castro. Gonzalo blocked by Oliva. Sable. 8-second shot clock. Saison. Castro. Shot clock violation. Ramores to Anasin. Last 2 minutes and 29 seconds before the end of the third quarter. Marmol pass to Anasin. Traveling violation. Badjola to Saison. Counted basket. Ramores. Third personal foul, warning for penalty. 1 bonus shot awarded to Saison. Running score 26-39 in favor of Basketballeros. Basket. Reynancia. Remaining time last 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Foul number 99 by Roberts. Second personal foul, second team foul. Marmol, pass to Ramores. Blocked by Castro. Marmol, pass to Anasin. Same ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Last 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Oliva, traveling violation. Badjola, last 2 minutes. Third timeout. Reynancia. Same ball. Timeout call. Remaining time last 1 minute and 46 seconds before the end of the third quarter. Running score 39-27 in favor of Basketballeros. Reynancia to Marmol. Reynancia, no good. Rebound by Badjola. Marmol. Gonzalo. Counted basket number 23. First personal foul. Penalty. One bonus shot awarded to Gonzalo. Basket. Marmol. Gonzalo. Plus 1 minute and 30 seconds. Running score 30-39. Oliva tries to 3. Oliva. Good player to face by Marmol. Bagiola to Gonzalo. Tries to 3. No good. Castro. Good player to face by Castro. Reynacia tries to 3. No good. Rebound by Roberts. Pass to Bagiola. Last 45 seconds. Castro. Roberts. Good player to face by Roberts. Last 37 seconds. Saison. Good player to face by Saison. Last 27 seconds. Foul. Number 99, Roberts. Third personal foul, 13 foul. Running score, 31-36 in favor of Basketballeros. Ramirez, last 20 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Oliva, last 13 seconds. Good play to face by Anasin. Last 10. Last 5. Good play to face by Saison. And there will be running score 43-38 in favor of Basketballeros. Oliva to Marmol, tries to 3. No good. Rebound by Bagiola. Saison, no good. Roberts, no good. Gonzalo, no good. Oliva. To Reynacia. Good play to face by Reynacia. Last 4 minutes and 32 seconds. Saison. Foul. Number 21. Pushing foul. Sa break, Gonzalo out. Villa Flores coming in. Ready for foul out. First team foul. Basket. Second personal foul, first team foul. Bagiola to Villa Flores. Saison. Traveling violation. Gomez. Pass to Matundan. Blocked by Castro. Intercept by Roberts. Pass to Villa Flores. No good. Saison. Counted basket. Number 71. Marmol, third personal foul. Third team foul. Second team foul. One bonus shot awarded to Saison. Running score 45-41 in favor of Basketballers. No good. Rebound by Castro. 7 on the line. Matundan to Gomez. Back to Matundan. Tries to 3. No good. Rebound by Castro. Pass to Saison. Last 3 minutes and 40 seconds. By Jola. No good. Roberts. Good point to place by Roberts. Last 3 minutes and 29 seconds. Matundan. Reynancia. Good ball to points by Reynancia. Running score 47-43 in favor of Basketballers. Castro. 15 seconds to shoot. Villa Flores. 10 seconds to shoot. Villa Flores tries to 3. No good. Single. A 14-second shot clock. He's 7 on the line. Remaining time, last 3 minutes and 3 seconds before the end of the game. Last 3 minutes. Reynancia. No good. Oliva. No good. Gomez. Foul. Number 25. Villa Flores. Second personal foul. First team foul. Running score 47-43. Remaining time last 2 minutes and 52 seconds. 2 shots awarded to Gomez. First row. Basket. Second and last row. Jumpers ready. Castro, pass to Villa Flores. Last 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Castro. No good. It's followed up. Number 12. Castro. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Matundan. Reynancia. Marmol. Traveling violation. Remaining time last 2 minutes and 34 seconds before the end of the game. Running score 48-43 in favor of Basketballeros. Villa Flores. "15 seconds to shoot. Saison. No good. Good ball to points by Villa Flores. Remaining time last 2 minutes and 15 seconds before the end of the game. Gomez. Marmol. 10 seconds to shoot. Good ball to points by Matundang. Last 2 minutes. Castro. Roberts. This ball, turnover. Oliva. Reserve timeout. Marmol to Gomez. Blocked by Castro. Nakuha ni Saison. Bajola. Good ball to base by Bajola. Gomez. Last 1 minute and 35 seconds. Timeout called. 50 in favor of Basketballeros. Sa next game po na maglalaro sa midget, mabasa na po ng requirements dito sa management. para tuloy-tuloy po yung laro. Second pa lang po. Second pa lang parehas. Ilang Matundan, good break 2 points by Matundan. Remaining time, last 1 minute and 22 seconds before the end of the game. Julia Flores. Pass to Saison. 13 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by Julia Flores. Good break 2 points by Julia Flores. Last 1 minute and 7 seconds, Matundan. Good break 2 points by Matundan. Bajola. Last 1 minute. Julia Flores. No good. Good break 2 points by. Last 53 seconds. Good break 3 points by Reynaisha. Good break 2 points by Gomez. Timeout called by 1826 RSC. Running score 59-51 in favor of Basketballeros. Basketballeros po may isang time out na lang. 1826, wala na pong time out. Last 48 seconds. Roberts, pass to Castro. Julia Flores, no good. Rebound by Oliva. Last 40 seconds. Matundan. No good. Matundan again. No good. Rebound by Castro. Last 30 seconds. Good 40 points by Saison. Reynaisha.
Double foul.
Double foul. Number 12, Castro. 24 foul out. 13 foul. Number 23, Oliva. Second personal foul. 13 foul. Last 26 seconds. Marmol, last 20 seconds. Last 15. 10 seconds to shoot. Gomez. Last 10. Reynaisha. Roberts. 3. End of the game. Official and final score 59-55. Winner, Basketballeros. Player of the game,